Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a swatch video for you on some of the new Moonshine Many October nail polish releases. Phoebe from Moonshine Many sent me these 4 nail polishes for review purposes, and they will be releasing on October 23rd. One polish, that's the dark green one, is part of her Facebook group exclusive, so that one will be only available during October and half of November. I will link for you exact date in the description box, and all the details on these polishes of course in there as well. But the rest of the 3 polishes are going to stay. So we also have a Moonshine Many comeback, which is Joy's Rock Candy. I did receive that polish last year with my purchase, so this one wasn't sent to me this year by Phoebe, but because it's releasing as a comeback, I also am including this one in my swatch portion today. And then Tim, in his own little collection section, has released 2 Yoda related polishes. And guys, I really do enjoy everything. If I would have to pick only one polish, that will be definitely Joy's Rock Candy. That one is absolutely stunning, but all 4 of these have great formulas. I had no issues with any of them. Opaque on 2 coats, as you will see in my swatch portion. And I think Phoebe did a really good job with everything. And of course Tim as well, since we have a duo from him this time. Let me know what are your thoughts and if you will be picking up any of these polishes. And if you do enjoy this type of videos, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Anyways, if you do have any additional questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Continue watching the swatch portion. And thank you so much for being here today. And I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
That's right.